And you guys are going to be graphing in 4 quadrants of a plane today, and you are going to create this rhombic dodecahedron. And to begin, what you're going to do is make sure, first of all, that you go over on the x-axis before going up and down on the y-axis when plotting your coordinates. Okay, the directions are at the bottom of your paper, right here. But before we begin, I will review the directions and do a quick sample. First, you will plot your first point. Right down here at the bottom shows you your first point. It's 0, 14. And so I'll go ahead and go, we don't go over, we start at 0 and we go up 14 because it's positive. And I will plot my first point there. And then I go back down, and if there is a comma between your coordinates, that means we are going to connect the lines. There's a comma right there. My next point is 8, 8. So that's positive. I'm going over 8. Then I will go up 8. And I will plot my next point right there. And since there was a comma between those 2 points, I'm going to connect them like on dot to dot. Okay, now I'm going to go down and look. And after these coordinates, there's a period. That means my line stops and I start a new line. So my next coordinate is 0, 14. Well, that's the same point that I already have plotted, so we're going to start at that point. Then we're going to go to our next one, and sorry, we're focused. There's a comma, so that means I'm going to connect these 2 points. The next one is 4, 8. And look, there's a period, so that line will stop. So I go over 4 and up to 8. Plot my point, and it told me to connect this dot to that dot. Okay, well, good luck. When you are finished, make sure you color it so that it turns out to be a 3D shape. And if you finish this one, you can go on and start your next graph.